Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Look at that steam coming out.
All right, so this is how you make the somaek. Okay, look, this is a
Somaek.
perfect cup for it. And then right here we got lines, right? First line, second line, third, and fourth. And these are for soju, where the fox is. I think there's dogs actually.
It's a dog.
And then yeah, it's a dog. And then on this one, that's where you fill up the beer, right? So depending on how much soju you want, that's the line for it. Okay, for me, I like the second line. Okay. All right, so that's how you make somaek. All right, so let me make the somaek, okay, guys? Watch.
Where are you gonna put it?
I'm gonna put it to the second line that I like. There you go.
Oh, you can't see. It's too blurry. Sorry. And then what kind of beer?
Kas. Usually we use Kas or Terra, but I like Kas. And then we just pour it. Usually some people make make a lot of bubble with it, but I like it like this. So it says, "Don't cross the line."
You did. You broke the rule.
No, I didn't. Look, the beer is on the line. Bubble, only the bubble is. And then you do it like that to mix it. All right, so let me take a sip before we start the barbecue, okay?
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers. Okay. Yeah, one shot. That was one shot.
Ah,
And he said sip.
It's okay, that's a sip for me.
Apparently.
Yeah. All right, so Samgyeopsal. Ta-da!
H Mart.
Yeah.
Always H Mart.
That's our favorite place to go. That's our Disneyland. Yeah.
Wow. And you can get this pan at H Mart too.
Yeah. H Mart has everything.
Everything.
Whole barbecue set. So if you
Yeah.
guys are curious, and if you, I don't know where you guys are watching from, but if you guys are in the state, go to H Mart and get the whole setup.
Yeah, even this. Look, I picked the pink one because it's pink. We used to have a red one, and I said I want a pink one, so I got.
All right, it's time to turn. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, 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 ooh,
Oh,
ooh, look
no.
at that. Oh, yeah. That's it.
Jordy's here too. Jordy's having. What are you having? No, point. What is what? What is that?
This is fish and this is rice.
And you got your water too.
All right, guys, we're gonna do some mushroom.
This
yeah.
is I think this is the king oyster mushroom.
Is that what it's called?
I think so.
Yeah, I
I know
have
it's
no
like
idea.
king mushroom.
Honestly, I have no idea, but it's good.
I forgot to look at the label. Soft? And they are soft, right?
Yeah, there should be.
It's soft. I'm gonna get splashed on. I'm scared.
That's part of Korean barbecue. Get a little bit of splash. Jordan, are you gonna eat some of this pork too?
I'm just
Okay. I'm gonna cut small pieces for you then, okay?
Just put it on my plate, and then I'll
You'll cut it?
yeah, I'll cut it
Okay.
for him.
Oh, sure. This is like our weekly ritual though.
Yeah, we do it every week, every
Yeah.
Friday or Saturday.
Saturday. We just have to do it.
And that's what are you using?
The garlic powder.
Garlic salt?
Yeah.
Put a lot on there.
Ooh. You think it'll be salty, huh? A little bit of beans, okay?
Oh yeah.
I'm not gonna put too much.
So we like to cook this
Yeah.
too.
Not many people do this one, but we do it, right?
We do it
We
because
do
like,
it.
we like veggies
Yeah.
in our rice. Spit man.
For you.
That's fake. That looks like what do you call it? The samgyeopsal, but this is mushroom.
Yeah, right.
Just so you know.
I know, right? It looks like samgyeopsal.
진짜 똑같아.
Oh, it looks like samgyeopsal.
This is
I'm gonna try this mushroom real fast, okay?
okay.
맛있어?
맛있어?
Sarap.
Masarap.
How do you say it again?
Sarap.
Oh, I thought you said masarap. Like,
Masarap.
masarap, what's ma? Why you say ma?
Masarap is like it's good.
It's good. Masarap. Now I'm gonna make a sam.
나도.
Proper sam.
Okay.
Okay.
Lettuce.
상추.
상추.
그치. Lettuce, 상추. 그리고 깻잎. I know it doesn't look fresh, guys. I know. I wish if I had a fresh one, but it's okay. I'll still eat it.
깻잎 is sesame leaf.
Sesame leaf. And I'm gonna do double it, okay? Double it.
Yeah,
double the
double it.
fun. Look at that. This is a sesame oil and a salt. Dip it in there. And I'm gonna put a garlic. Okay? 쌈장. 아, 김치 안 넣어. 나 이게 좋아, 이렇게. 이렇게. 하고서 일단 요거를 건배.
Cheers.
이렇게 한 잔 하고 take a drink.
You have to
Wrap
drink
it.
first. And you gotta stick the whole thing in your mouth. Mine is really fat, okay? Just so you know. Don't waste it. I do this.
Oh, mushroom.
No.
삼겹살.
Samgyeopsal. Sao. Dip it, whatever. Put it in there.
Okay.
A mushroom
Oh,
too.
mushroom.
Wait, this is not done yet. A rice.
Rice.
I know mommy likes to eat a lot. Maner.
Garlic.
Garlic. Oh, this is very thin. Hold on.
Get the other one.
Here.
There you
Oh,
go.
that's two, but whatever. And
Oh, kimchi too?
kimchi too.
Oh my lordy.
이건 너무 커요.
Get a small one. No, that's too big. You're not gonna
I'll
like
leave it
that.
there.
Yeah. Get a small piece. Find the small piece.
There you go.
That's a good
That's a
size.
good one.
That's a good one.
I like even it's not cooked. I'll put a little bit in there. Only mushroom.
But there's 4 more samgyeopsals to go. Don't worry.
Okay, good.
I got you.
I was worried about that.
I got you.
Huh?
You got your toy? Oh, yeah. Are you okay, mommy?
Yeah. I'm just.
Take your bite.
Oh my god, I'm gonna burn my mouth. But
Are
whatever.
you ready?
No, thank you. No, just kidding. 한잔하네.
짠. Look at that. 그지?
Wow. Look at that steam coming out.
이거 진짜 대박.
Cut it.
Got it.
Look at that dog. Look at her. Latte, sit. Mano, mommy. Mano. Si Mano. See,
wanna
my
put that in
dog's
the
Korean
video.
Filipino.